Welcome back everybody, let's jump straight into this video and take a look what the problem is. This is the footage taken straight from the Insta360. We're going to drop that onto the timeline. We'll mute the audio so it doesn't affect the voiceover. And let's play. As we can see, this footage is absolutely terrible. Looks like you're doing extreme off-road course. It is very easy to fix however. The Insta360 has built-in sensors that can detect the movement of the camera. Their system is called Flow State Stabilization. If we load the raw footage into Insta360 Studio, we can head over to the image processing, and over here we can set the stabilization type. We want to ensure that the Flow State Stabilization is switched on. With this switched on, the only other setting I would recommend you take a look at is your field of view options, and as we can see here, I quite like the look of the linear field of view option. It just helps flatten it out, a bit like lens correction on a camera. Once you're happy with all the settings, go down to the export. Choose the folder that you want to export the file to. With the folder selected, you can click Start Export. You'll see a progress counter down here. When the export is completed, drop your flow state stabilized footage into Davinci, and on the timeline we can now see there is a huge difference in the footage. You've turned shaky, unusable footage into footage that's buttery smooth. We hope this video has helped you. If it has, please feel free to like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.